You came prepared? Aiden's spreading his seed.
Excuse me, sir, what do you have to say about this? Where did this start from?
She stole my candy bar.
I mean, okay, but this has been going on for 3 days.
He stole my candy bar.
And he won't give it back?
She stole my candy bar.
Alright, thank you. Logan?
So.
So I'm on the other side of the war of the Great Pinecone War of 2018. Hey, so where did this war start?
I was hungry, and this kid had a candy bar, and I told him to please hand the candy bar to me, and he gently complied and actually did, and so I'm actually still very thankful. Unfortunately, afterward though, he actually started throwing pine cones at me very unkindly, so I don't know where that came from.
So I heard from his side of the war, it sounded like you just ran in and
No, he's delusional. He's delusional then. There's no way that
okay.
He's delusional.
Well, I don't think you can get anything more
And
out of
I don't start anything. I don't throw pine cones at anyone. It was literally, he just started throwing pine cones at me, and I had no choice but to fight back with the measly small things that I had not prepared.
Okay.
I simply had like a very, very small bags of pine cones, and I simply tossed a few. I tossed them. I tossed them, okay? Tossed them. I tossed them.
Leaving you for this.
It's a free country. We can do whatever we want to.
I know two nuts.
It was basically my candy bar.
You might need to. Took my candy bar.
Can you think of a positive way to end this scenario?
I give up.
Sir, please. Anything else to say?
He took my candy bar.
I know how to solve this problem. Give me this. Hold this.
Are you gonna share? Sharing, caring? No, I get that one right. No! No! No!